Manus is, in my opinion, the most powerful AI tool on the planet today. But it has a severe limitation, is that it doesn't continue and carry over context from thread to thread. But I found a hack and a way around this, and I'm going to share that with you today. I think this will replace your use of things like ChatGPT and Claude almost entirely because Manus is just a better tool for most things you want it to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to kind of tie together the bits of GPTs and projects and workspaces from most other AI tools into Manus to have it be your go-to solution for almost everything you do with AI. Hey there, I'm Craig Hewitt. Welcome back to 100 Days of AI, publishing a video every day for 100 days, all about AI tools, technology, tips, tricks, training, so you can be more successful at work with AI. And today we're talking about Manus. Manus is probably the most popular thing I've talked about here on the channel, and for good reason. It's an amazing tool and really powerful, but it lacks one thing that ChatGPT in particular has, which is memory and context across all chats. You see, in ChatGPT, it knows what you talked about in a separate thread or in a GPT or in a workspace 2 months ago, and in the one yesterday, and in the one from today. It knows and remembers everything, which could be troublesome if you are like me and you talk about a lot of different things there. It just has a bunch of unrelated context. Manus and tools like Gemini and Claude and even Grok have a concept of like workspaces where you can have a bunch of context, a bunch of specialized knowledge, a special maybe system prompt for how you want it to do this specific thing in an area. Manus currently doesn't have that, but it has something else that none of the other tools have that really ties everything that you would do in Manus together, which is knowledge. So let's dive into Manus and just explore this concept. So in my Manus dashboard, I have a list of chats I've had over here, and it has this concept of knowledge. And in Manus, you can have 20 pieces of knowledge per account. This doesn't increase on the higher plans. I'm on the lowest paid plan, which I think is about $15 a month or $200 a year maybe. And so you can add pieces of knowledge here, and these have pretty basic elements to them. It has a name. This is just like a title. When Manus will use this, and then content. In content, I couldn't find anywhere online what the actual limit of this is. And in my testing, setting this up in the last couple of days, this is about 300 words in my experience. I'm sure there's an actual character limit. I couldn't figure that out exactly, but it's about 300 words. So the question is, what 20 pieces of information do you want to put in here so that Manus retrieves that context when you're having a chat? Just for an example, let me go to a chat I was having yesterday about my training program that I'm putting together. And you can see here what it did is it recalled 2 pieces of information. It has information about me and Meta Level, the company that I'm putting together for corporate AI training for companies. So just as an aside, if you're a company and you're like, hey, I got to do something about AI, but I don't really know what to do, you can hire me and my team, and we can come in and train you and your employees, put in systems so that you can adopt AI successfully. That's what Meta Level is all about. metalevel.io if you want to check it out. But it recalled these 2 pieces of information because I had successfully built that database of knowledge for it to go reference. So while you would do something like this in a Claude project or a GPT, typically, you have to rely on Manus referencing and accessing this knowledge when it needs to. And so we have to be really smart about setting up knowledge properly. And so what I've done here is I've come through and said, I do group coaching. That's one piece of knowledge it should have. It should have knowledge on my YouTube channel because this is a big part of what I do for work. How it should write YouTube hooks, and I'll open up one of these and just show you how it should write YouTube hooks. It should use this when creating YouTube hooks for my YouTube channel. And then I modeled it after this creator called Callaway. He just writes really good YouTube scripts, I think. And so I had it analyze a bunch of scripts and then put together a brief summary on what a script should do. And so this is the kind of 300 words, and it cut off here, and I was like, okay, that's kind of good enough. And so I've done this for 7 of these. We'll just create one more here on the fly, and then I'll leave it to you to figure out how you want to take this knowledge and go forward to create your 20 pieces of knowledge for Manus to reference when it's doing work for you. So we'll just say add a new piece of knowledge. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a set of lead magnets for our coaching and advising and training service around AI. So historically, I've just had one thing that I send people to, which is like this 30 Days of AI email series. By the way, if you want to check it out, link is in the description below. I send you an email every day for 30 days, leveling you up from kind of AI newbie to AI pro user. That's cool. But I want to get a little more specific, and we all should in our kind of marketing, to solve one specific problem. And so I'm just going to sketch this out. I won't fill out this entire thing now. But this is the topic, and Manus will use this when, and then I'll just describe this briefly, and I'll go back to fill this in later, but just so you get an idea of what the content should be about and when and how you should use it. And just to get really meta, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Super Whisper to just dictate this right on the fly so you don't have to watch me type. So if you haven't watched my video on Super Whisper yet, it's absolutely amazing. It's a tool you download. It's about $80 a year, I think. And it lets you just talk into the microphone and it types for you as you go. So I'll just do that now. There are 6 pillars of content that I could create lead magnets around for my AI coaching and training program. These include how to roll out AI to your teams, how to select which AI tool to use, how to create systems for safety and monitoring within your company, how to continuously educate yourself as a leader and your team as employees on the best AI practices and tools they should be using. Use the best lead magnet as you're creating LinkedIn articles or YouTube scripts that is most relevant to the topic that we're talking about. Okay, so Super Whisper just goes and dictates that into my system here. And so this is, I would want to create a lot more content here, but this just gives Manus a bit of an idea about, hey, when creating lead magnets for coaching and AI, this is the kind of stuff that we're talking about. And so I would want to have a very specific list, in this case, of 6 different lead magnets that I would have. It could be a GPT, it could be a Notion dashboard, it could be just a doc or a survey or something like that. So I'll just go ahead and save this. And so that's really the key here, is Manus doesn't have specific dedicated workplaces like Claude would have projects or GPTs or gems. It does have universal knowledge that you can specify, which in some cases I think is more powerful than having to work in a dedicated place for it to have context about this thing, which is the GPT or the gem or the projects version. So if you're on the Manus bandwagon, but you're a little bit frustrated that like it just literally doesn't know who you are, use your knowledge smartly, populate all 20 of these. We only have 8 here. And I think you'll see a marked improvement in how Manus responds to new projects that you ask it to tackle. Now, I referred to it earlier, but if you want to take the next step in your AI kind of education and growth journey, I've put together a free 30-day email course, entirely free. Send you an email every day for 30 days with tips and tricks and frameworks for how you can go from kind of AI newbie to an AI forward leader in your business. Link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video over here where I talk about 7 incredible use cases for Manus.